Hi there. Today I'm answering some questions. So here you go. Can a private investigator help with child custody cases? Absolutely. That is very much something that we deal with, conducting surveillance for a variety of reasons. So let's say you and your partner are no longer together and you and your partner had one child or multiple children together. And now your new partner is potentially dating somebody that you've heard has a shoddy background, right? You don't know enough about them. And maybe you've heard the individual's a drug dealer or has a criminal background where there's maybe been some things said or stated that you just don't know if your child's going to be potentially safe while in the care of that individual. So we would go out and we would conduct surveillance to ultimately see, hey, are we seeing anything that's illegal or inappropriate? Right away, we would be contacting law enforcement to maintain the safety of the child. But if we're not seeing anything that's criminally illegal, but possibly unethical or something that we think shouldn't take place, you can take that information to child services and ultimately they can work with you and that partner to determine if that individual should be spending time with your child or children or not. It could be a situation where your former partner maybe had substance abuse issues and you're no longer together and the partner has, care of the child, let's say 2 to 3 times a week. And you're concerned that while your child is in care of that partner, are they drinking or doing drugs? So we can have investigators go out and ultimately determine if we're seeing any drug use or any alcohol consumption taking place. We've had services where, the individual who's not supposed to have any alcohol consumption or anything, we've seen them going into the store holding a child's hand and a case of beer in the other hand, right? So we ultimately don't want to see things like that, for you. We want to make sure that a child's safe. So that's a good investigation when we find that information, because then you can take that and use that for court purposes. So we absolutely do conduct child custody investigations and, a facet of services that surround family investigations. So if you're looking to hire a private investigator across Canada, give us a call here at the Smith Investigation Agency.